Hello everybody. A very good morning to each and everybody. We are going to start Standard 4 Science chapter number 12, Air, Water and Weather. Okay. As you know, we have already completed the new words or hard words. Now let's start the chapter. Chapter number 12, Air, Water and Weather. Cloudy, rainy, windy, hot, cold, humid, all these terms tell the different conditions of atmosphere around us. Okay, cloudy, windy, rainy, hot, cold, humid, all these terms. By the all these terms, we can understand that the atmosphere of change of atmosphere. Okay, this is called the weather, and this is called the weather. Daytime, the weather changes. Okay, daytime weather is changing all the time. Okay, so this is called the weather. The weather is the condition of the atmosphere of one place to at a particular time. Okay, what do you mean by weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a particular time. The factors that determine weather are temperature, wind, air pressure, moisture and clouds. Okay, so these are the factors that determine the weather, which are the temperature, wind, air pressure, moisture and clouds. Okay, now if you will check out on a page number 92, you will understand that the first picture, which is on a sunny day, which is of a sunny day. Okay, on a sunny day our sun shines very brightly. Okay, then the next picture is a cold day, next picture is a cold day. Okay, so these are the different weather condition. Okay, during cold day the winter season is going on and we feel very cold, so that is why we are using woolen clothes. We are using woolen clothes nowadays. Which season is going on? Winter season. Okay, so that is why in the morning, early in the morning, if you want to go outside, at home also we are using woolen clothes. Okay, all these factors are related to one another. It is the sun that reflects, influences these factors. Okay, the sun influences all these factors. The heat of the sun affects the movement of air and changes of a form of water, which brings about changes in the weather. Okay, now role of the sun in the weather changes. The sun and the rotation and revolution of the earth play an important role in weather changes. Okay, so rotation and revolution of the earth, which is which is very important, which play very important role on in weather changes. Okay, then the rotation of the earth causes day and night. Rotation of the earth causes day and night, dear students. Okay, then the part of the earth that faces that sun gets sunlight and has day. What is there? The part of the earth that faces the sun gets sunlight and has day. The another part of that does not get sunlight, has night. Okay, so whichever part has faces the sunlight, that side will be that side will be day. Okay, and whichever part is not getting sunlight, that part will be night. The revolution of the earth around the sun causes seasons. Okay, so the revolution of the earth around the sun causes seasons. Then revolving, the parts of the earth that are nearer to the sun have hotter and longer days, have summer. The other parts that are away from the sun have colder and shorter days as a winter. Okay, now weather also changes from day to day. and even from hour to hour. When the sun rises or sets, its rays are slanting, so morning and even evening are also cooled. At noon, the sun's rays fall directly on the earth, therefore, the noon is the hottest part of the day. Now, the sun causes the wind. The sun hits the air near the land. The sun hits near the land, whichever is very nearer to the land air, that the sun hits the air. The hot air spreads and becomes lighter. Light and hot air rises up. Cooler air flows down to take its place. This moving air is called wind, so the sun causes the wind to blow. Okay. Then the sun causes humidity also. How? Let's check out. The sun heats up the water on the earth and changes it into the water vapor, and the amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity. What do you mean by humidity? The amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity. Okay, then so that the sun causes humidity. When it is hot, you sweat a lot. When it is hot, you sweat a lot. Okay, we will have a lot of sweat. Then your sweat evaporates and you feel cool. When air is humid, there is too much water vapor already in the air. Your sweat does not evaporate, then you feel sticky and uncomfortable. Okay, so here we have completed the first part of the chapter. In the next video we are going to check out the next. Okay, thank you.